Yeah, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I explain the Avianca app review to see with what you're using. So talking about the Avianca app is designed to make traveling easy by letting user book flight, check in, access mobile onboarding passes, manage live miles account, track flight status, and receive real-time notification. Available on both iOS and Android. It also integrates with Apple Wallet, allowing travelers to keep all essential flight details in one place for quicker airport access. However, the app has received a criticisms for frequent glitches such as the crashes, issue with check-in, problem displaying onboarding passes offline, and error when purchasing extra like baggages. Some users also report frustrating login difficulties and slow loading times. In conclusion, the app is still worth it if you mainly use it for booking, flight update, and storing onboarding passes, but not ideal if you expect a complete, smooth, and reliable experience within the app surface. And that's it. Hope you find the video helpful. Hit the turn on notification button and subscribe for more reviews.